MatataStudio Musician add-on.
There are 32 pieces of music coding blocks, 10 pieces of melody coding blocks, and 3 double-sided warm-up cards included in the package.
Works with MatataStudio Coding Robot Set.
It helps kids to improve the early music concepts. Each melody coding block features a present melody, and different songs are made when they are combined freely. There are also alto clef and treble clef of the music coding blocks. Shuffle through the Do to D scale to select and arrange the music notes. The robot will sing it for you. Put different numbers underneath will change the beats of the music. Following the warm-up cards, the Matata bot can sing the favorite songs.